What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Welcome to the trade recap of today's Monday, the 23rd. We're going to go over the trades that we took. We'll have weekly analysis and all of that after, but we're just going to go over the trades that I saw today and basically my mindset behind them. So, starting off, we're going to look at gold. We actually didn't take anything on gold, but I do want to go over an important subject, which I was explaining on stream today. If you guys want to make sure to tune in on stream, it's going to be live every day at 9 a.m. on Kick. So to start off, again, we're looking at gold. We looked at this daily level, this wick that we had to the left, right? If you focus on that, once you go up to the H4, you're going to see that this is a clear level of resistance. So a lot of people, I would say, retardology and everyone focused on gold was making sure that today was going to be a sell-off day. Now, we have sold off as of yet, but I do believe that gold is going to be having us more of a bullish run before this drop happens, because a lot of sell side, a lot of buy side liquidity is going to be up here and they're going to be trying to sell this. So whenever you see that, you can see throughout the day, once we opened an 830, we had a lot of manipulation at this level. So people were trying to sell here, didn't work out, sell here, didn't work out, sell here. It is working out now, but I feel like whenever we do take off these lows, we could be expecting price to continue going up higher. Now, to cover the trades that we did take today, the first one was EU. So we had this big rally to the upside with EU. And this was the cause of Trump, when Trump talked about the de-escalation that's going on with Iran, because there's pretty much nothing left to continue. And this made this big push up with EU. If we're looking at just simple structure, which I like to trade, we can see how we had this big push up. We had SIBI, or buy side inefficiency, sell side inefficiency. Then we had this higher low point, higher high, higher low point, higher high, order projected, higher low point, higher high. From there on, you're just looking for your entry, which was here. You can see how we had this clear FVG, and we can see that these highs over here have still yet to get mitigated. So once we look at that, today in the morning, I was actually looked at price down here. This candle right here, it kind of showed me an inversion on the smaller time frames. So I took a short-term sell. The sell was probably active for, I would say, around 2 minutes. Once I saw price actually rejecting out of this FVG and not being able to close under, I switched up my sell and I got on the long. So the sell was something like this. We had our entry here, we had our stop loss below. We were just looking for the highs to get mitigated, which was something like that. So we started going up. We did stay stuck here a little bit, but once that PM session was approaching, we went ahead and take profit on EU or USD for a good 2-to-1 R. Pretty simple trade, not much to kind of go on about. I would say the simplest thing to do with trading is just follow through a structure. Try to look for where retail allergy is looking at the opposite end. So if they're looking for sells, you want to be looking for longs. Retail allergy loves to try to sell tops. What we want to do is we want to be looking to buy tops and actually continue selling at bottoms. That's the best advice I give you guys for when you're looking to catch a trade, whenever you do have big rallies like we had on EU or USD. Continue trying to buy it off. Try to kind of step away from the sell side. That's kind of what I did mess up today on that first sell. And then we had this long here push up as well. For the next trade that we did take today as well, it was going to be an XPX 500 trade that I took. So this one did hit break even. What I saw here, again, was pretty much the same thing. So we had a big rally up. We had an FVG here to the M5 candle that we can see here. Then we have a higher low point, higher high. What I'm seeing here though is that we have an FVG on this M5 candle. So this M5 FVG, what I'm focused on is the inversion, because I don't want to be selling here, right? I see that a lot of people are going to be focused on the sell side here because we have this bearish structure, but they're not focused on the overall structure leg. So once I see this right here, or this bullish FVG, once we have that inversion here, we went ahead and took that trade. Price went up. Once it takes off these highs, I was at break even, and we can see our price is rallied back down to actually hit my break even. So we did take profit today with EU or USD. We took a small loss on the EU or USD sell, but overall it was a profitable day with the continuation of EU or USD longs. Now, again, be ready to tune in for these videos every single day. We're going to be posting them regularly on our XAU +1 Instagram. And we're also going to be posting them on YouTube. And then we're also going to be live every single day at 9 a.m. on Kick. The Kick is at XXXAU. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys know how it goes. Don't overtrade, don't leverage, and peace.